A Day in My Life as a Disciple of God from Psalm chapter 91 verse 14 to 15. Ang sabi ng Diyos, ililigtas ko ang mga tapat sa akin at iingatan ko ang sinumang taong ako'y kikilanlin. Kapag sila'y tumawag, laging handa ako na sila'y pakinggan. Aking sasamahan at kung may problema ay sasaklolohan. Aking ililigtas at ang bawat isa ay pararangalan. Translate into English, because He loves me, says the Lord, I will rescue him, I will protect him, for he acknowledges my name. He will call on me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. Thank you and have a good day.